warm afternoon, a boy named Joan was walking home when he heard a soft cry from the bushes. He found a little kitten, weak and thirsty. Without thinking twice, Joan picked her up, gave her water from his bottle, and placed her safely in a shaded spot. Days passed. One morning, Joan was cycling through the park when he lost balance and fell. His leg hurt, and his phone had slipped far into the grass. As he tried to get up, he heard quick footsteps. A stray dog ran toward him. At first, Joan got scared, but then he realized the dog was not attacking. The dog gently picked up Joan's phone in his mouth and dropped it beside him, wagging his tail. At the same moment, the same kitten Joan had helped appeared from under a bench and rubbed against his leg as if comforting him. Joan smiled in surprise. With a lighter heart, he stood up, because kindness always finds its way back. Through humans, through animals, through every living heart. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.